How to activate a game key for your Ubisoft Connect account here on your PC within some seconds. For this, what you have to do is simply follow this step and follow the video till the end. So, activating a key in your Ubisoft Connect PC, you have received a game key or content key for the PC. You will need to activate it on the Ubisoft Connect PC in order to access it. Please note that the game or content will be linked to the Ubisoft account you activate. To activate a key, open the Ubisoft Connect to PC. If you do not currently have an Ubisoft account, you will need to create one account. Select your profile in the top left corner of the application, choose the key activation from that menu, and enter your key in the activation code field. Select Activated. And now you will see that once after you do this, it will be activated within some seconds in front of you. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching this, and please subscribe to our channel for watching such videos and technical